Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Janette's Lifestyle. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Nandito na naman po ako sa inyo para po i-share ang aking recipe for my today's vlog, which is my own version of how to cook a string beans or green beans in adobo, yeah. So this is what is it? Famous dish which is called adobong sitaw with a twist po na ilalagyan ko po siya ng pork, a slice pork, yeah. So meron po ako dito, I just marinate it with the salt and black pepper, and then of course for my seasons I have salt and black pepper, and of course I'll be adding a chili pepper seasoning, yeah, with Chinese salt as well to have a spicy taste, yeah. And of course my 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and I have here the chopped garlic, onions, and 1 piece of tomato, and of course our main ingredient, which is the green beans, yeah. So kung ready na po kayo, ay samahan niyo po ako kung paano ko po niluluto ang adobong sitaw in my own version. Please stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Okay, once again, welcome back. Ito na po, umpisahan na po natin kung paano ko po ito niluluto. Okay, in a pan, just a bit of oil, yeah. And of course, I'll be adding onion first. Just saute a bit until it's light brown or crystal in color. So guys, welcome back. I already added the garlic and then the tomato. I thought po kanina is na-on ko yung video ko, so I'm already late. So but now I added already the pork, yes, and stir. Yeah, cover and let it cook like 5 minutes, yeah, the pork. Okay guys, welcome back. Let's check. Okay. Now it's time for me to add the seasons like the soy sauce. And then the vinegar. And I'll be adding a teaspoon of, or half a teaspoon of salt. And black pepper. And this one, chili pepper, yeah. It's like half teaspoon. And time for me to add or put in as well this green beans, okay? There you go. Stir it. I'll be adding a bit water, yeah. Just 1/4 of this. Then let us simmer or cook it like 5 to 10 minutes until the pork and beans are tender, okay? Thanks for watching and please stay tuned. There you go. Welcome back po. Ayan. Finally, luto na po ang ating sitaw. At the same time, soft na po ang ating pork. So, there you go. I-share ko lang po sa inyo kung paano. So, this is already my finished menu for today, which is all about adobong sitaw with a twist of having a sliced pork. Yeah, you can put also, instead of sliced pork, is that minced meat din po. Yeah, so it's up to you guys para po mas lalong lumasa pa ang inyong adobong sitaw. O, diba? So, hope you guys enjoyed once again with regards to my dish for my today's vlog, yeah, which is adobong sitaw na may pork, yes. So, once again, marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat, and if you are still new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like and also click the bell button for you to be updated for my new videos to come, okay? So once again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Stay safe po and God bless everyone. Love you guys. It's time for me now to say bye for now.